Namaste everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about mind and breathing connection. Yes, if you know about this mind and breathing connection, then you can take care of many health issues related to your mind and the breath. How the mind and breath is connected. So we say when we have a lot of thoughts in the mind, we are stressed or anxious, then our breathing is fast. Like you must have observed, when you feel angry, people say take a deep breath in. Why do they say that? Because when you are angry, you're breathing very fast and shallow. On other hand, when you're very calm, you breathe deep and very slow. So breathing and mind has a very close connection. To understand this connection, I need to give you some examples. Like you must have heard about dogs breathing. Dog takes 20 to 30 breath in a minute, whereas the tortoise, the turtle takes 4 breath in a minute. So you can understand the life span by understanding the breathing ratio in a minute of a person. So in this video, I am going to ask you to do one test where you just put a timer of 1 minute and count your breathing in 1 minute, normal breathing, that how many times you are breathing in a minute. Generally, ideally, God has given us 15 breaths to take in a minute. But if you're taking more than this, if your ratio, if your count is coming 20, 30, or for some people it is 40, then you need to think about yourself. You need to work on yourself. But if it is coming below 15, 10, 8, then you are in a good condition. You're practicing the yogic practices. You are in a good condition of your health. So start doing this test today where you put a timer and count your normal breathing. Before that, you relax yourself and then you start counting. Then count. If the count is coming above 15, then you start doing some breathing practices where you exhale longer. So in this scenario, I'm going to give you one breathing which you can do in order to bring your breathing count under the 15. So if your breathing count is coming over the 15, then you practice this breathing practice which I'm going to give you now. So this we call it counting breathing, or we just divide it in the 4 parts. So 4 seconds you will inhale, and 4 seconds you will hold, and 8 seconds you will exhale, then 4 seconds you will hold. So how to do this breathing? I'm going to give you the count. You can try right now. Start inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release or exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. You must be feeling difficult to exhale so much long. So I'm going to give you a trick or a technique to increase your exhalation, where you do the humming bee sound when you do the 8 count of exhalation. How? So this way you complete 8 count and then you pause for 4 seconds and again inhale. Believe me, as I said, there is a connection between the mind and the breath. So if your mind becomes relaxed with this, just 3 rounds of this breathing will relax your mind. You will see that difference in the test. If you do the test again, in 1 minute if you count, it will come under the 15 or 15 if it was coming over the 15. So try this breathing on daily basis. Probably you try 10 to 15 rounds of this breathing where you inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 8, and again hold 4 counts after exhalation. And you will see day by day you will improve on your breathing and your count will go under the 15 or 15 slowly. And once your count goes under the 15, mentally you will feel very relaxed, and if your mind is relaxed, your all the health issues will be cured. So try to do this breathing on daily basis, understanding the mind and the breath connection. If you understand this connection, you understand your health. So try to understand your health and keep smiling in order to keep your mind happy and relaxed. So take care everyone. If you're looking for any other video and any other topic, let me know in the comment box, and do find the details of my courses in the description of this video. Thank you everyone.